Mrs. Bellman, how are you?
Good.
Mrs. Bellman, you know, we were in this morning and we saw that your central line dressing was a mess because you were so diaphoretic last night,
Oh my.
and we're gonna need to change it again.
Okay.
So, the first thing I did is I just made sure that I had orders that we could change it as needed, let alone the last 7 days.
Okay.
So, if it's okay with you, we're gonna get your dressing changed.
That's fine.
All right. So here we go. I just have to let you know, I have to put a mask on you for this.
Okay.
So, just let me know if this gets too constricting or not, okay? And while we're doing this, if you could tell me your name,
Miss Stella Bellman.
and Mrs. Bellman, when were you born?
2/6/41.
And you know where you're at?
I'm in the hospital.
Okay. All right, we're all set to go. So, I'm gonna don my mask.
How does my mask look?
It
Look
looks-
good?
Absolutely stunning as always. And I'm gonna put on a pair of clean gloves.
You pull the privacy curtain, right?
And it's nice having this room all to yourself, isn't it?
Oh, it is. I've been in a room where there's other people on. It's not fun.
It's not fun. You always get that neighbor bothering you. All right.
Yeah, she snored.
Felt like you were at home, huh?
Yeah, my husband, he's pretty loud.
All right. Just to make the tape come off a little bit easier, I'm going to use an alcohol prep just to wipe underneath. And I'm going to make sure that the venous catheter doesn't go anyplace while I'm doing this. You're going to feel some pulling on this while we do this.
I've got tough skin.
Oh, that's a good thing.
Minutes before I left the building.
All right, and we're going to make sure that we get all this tape off. And we can see that this was just dated yesterday. Okay, now we got that off. We are going to dispose of all this stuff. And we are going to open up our central line dressing kit, maintaining a sterile field. And make sure that we have everything in there. And then I am going to put on sterile gloves. I love how everybody puts these things away. Okay. So at this point, we're going to take out our ChloraPrep. We're going to snap it, make sure it's open. Rub a little just to get it started on this. Gonna get rid of that. And then just clean from the outside in, rubbing it for about 20 seconds. Now we are going to dispose of this. We're going to take our alcohol wipes, open this up, and we were just going to wipe the catheter anywhere underneath the taping to make sure that everything is taken care of and clean. And we're going to dispose of this. We're just gonna let that dry a little bit. While we're letting that dry, we're gonna open up our bio patch. Which has disappeared.
I heard that you needed a bio patch.
I have one.
Oh, okay.
We're good. And that'll go right underneath there, like so. We're gonna take our tape. And we are going to place it over like so, making sure that it's down tight and no air bubbles are getting in at this point. We're going to pull this off. Making sure that this is down tight. Not going anywhere. We're going to place our label down here. And I'm going to initial it with today's date. Making sure that everything is down tight. Okay. All right, Mrs. Bellman, that is it. Is there anything else you need?
Nope.
Okay. You can get that. Let me get this mask off you.
Oh, thank you.
No, you're very welcome. And I'm going to just go and document that we did the dressing change, why we did the dressing change, and the date. And we're all done.